you can't suspect that your husband is cheating on you, because he is doing everything for you, giving you attention, respect you, or to give you money. So you can't suspect the kind of the person, a wise man. But other men, when you want to know that he start cheating on you, you can saw things now are different now. Even the way he talks to you, he doesn't respect you. Other men, when they are cheating, they start beat their wives, other men. If you ask him even anything, or you ask him, he start maybe get angry very fast, or to clap you when he start cheating you, because he can show you now you are nothing, because there is someone who is new in his life. You can so there is different, even to give you money. You every time you asking money, or maybe to give you money, you start to have a fight when you want your man to give you money. When you don't have a fight, he doesn't give you money, you have to know that person, you've got someone new in his life. But wise men, you don't suspect anything. He is doing everything to his wife. Other men, guys, they are cheating, but they know that this is my wife. You understand? He respect his wife, even no matter what, even he said chicks. They know that that man loves his wife. But other men, guys, he is talking bad things about his wife with side chick. I don't understand what's going on. You understand? But wise men, they respect their wives, everything, guys. You can show that this man is taking care of his wife. Guys, don't date a man who can't take care of his wife, a married man. When you saw a married man, he is talking bad things about his wife. And that man, that men are like people, they are going forward to have another girlfriend. He is going to do the same thing to you as he is doing to his wife. You understand? You are not special. Men, they can do the same thing, guys. But when you saw a married man, he is taking good care of his wife. Yes, you have to know that person, he can take good care of you. When he respect his wife, he can respect you again. You understand? Because, guys, even his wife can't suspect anything that her husband is cheating or what. He can tell his girl, he said, that don't call me when I am at home, because I have got the mother of my child. Men, it's not about when they are cheating, maybe there is something bad about their homes. Guys, amen. Men, they can do it, guys, without fighting with his wife. Even they are in good relationship with his wife. But when he decides to have a side chick, men, they can do it, guys. He knows that he loves his wife, and they've got a girlfriend, and he is taking good care of his wife. You understand? You have to know that he can take good care of you when he is taking good care of his wife and respect his wife. He can respect you. But when you saw he doesn't respect his wife or something,